Plus, a lot of cheese is yummy. So good. Crispy and cheesy. Hello guys, I'm gonna make pizza bread. First is ham, and I'm gonna slice the ham. Put it right there. And I'm gonna cut again. And then I'm gonna slice the onion. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna grate the cheese. And I'm gonna put the cheese in there. I'm gonna take off the edges. I'm gonna drain the pineapple. I'm gonna cut it. Put the sauce in the bread. I'm excited. Whee! It's messy. Okay. And I'm gonna put some ham in the bread. I'm excited to eat it. Okay, I forgot to put pineapple in the pizza bread. I'll put it in here. I'll put one more in there. I'm gonna put some sauce. That is a lot. That is enough. Again. I'm gonna put some onions. And then pineapple. Time to put it into the oven. I'll open it. I can't open it. There. That is too hot. Careful. Okay, I will close it. I'll get the pizza bread now. It's hot. Oh my gosh. Where should I put it? Ooh, ouch, ouch, ouch. Nugget. My pizza bread. Okay, I will taste my pizza. Oh, that is not hot. That is good. My tears is flowing. This is yummy. The pineapple tastes pineapple. Can you try this? Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Wait, I'm Kiara Ehlora. See you in the next video. Bye.